Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is I'm going to give you 6 websites to make $100 a day even if you're broke. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out. So with that being said, let's dive straight into the video and 6 websites to make $100 a day even if you're broke. So the very first one is peerfly.com. That's P-E-R and then fly like a fly.com. And that is an affiliate platform, but what's different from any other platform is that they will pay you per click. So anytime someone would click on your link, you would get a commission from it. And they have a ton of partners, so you just have to see what they have and just partner up with them, because it's very hard sometimes to get some sales through affiliate marketing. But this one, even if nobody buys anything, you will still get a commission because someone will have clicked on your link. So this is a very good way if you're just getting started, if you have a small audience, even if you can share it to your family for them to click on it, your friends, it doesn't matter. But they can make you can make some money just by having people click on that link, and they don't even have to pay anything. So that is one of the best ways to actually make some money. It doesn't pay you a whole lot, but it does add up, so it's a very good way to do it. The next one is duda.com, and this one is to optimize a website for mobile. So I don't know if you've realized this, but there are a ton of websites out there that work on computers and very badly on iPhones or any phone for that matter. So this is a website that will help you create a website that works really well with a phone. So what you can do with that is you can call some businesses that have very bad websites that are really bad on anything, websites that are really bad on phones, and then tell them that you have a great way of putting that together for them, and you can actually charge them quite a bit of money for doing that. So all you have to do is go there, and you don't even need any technical skills. All you have to do is just do that. It's very simple, and then it will run perfectly on phones. And then you can charge them for that, everyone's happy, and you just made a ton of money without doing very much. So that is the second way. The third way, I'm sure you've heard about this, but this is very good. It's fiverr.com and upwork.com. So all you have to do is have a skill that you know how to do, whether it's graphic design, or maybe you know 2 languages like I do, or maybe you know anything else, basically any skill, and you can just go there and get a gig and get paid for it. So maybe it's translating, maybe it's something else, maybe it's graphic design, just like I said, but it can be a ton of different things. So I highly suggest that you go on these sites, even though you might think that you don't have any skills. Go on these sites and you probably do have something that can help people out. So Fiverr and Upwork.com are some very famous ones. A lot of people make money from that, and it's absolutely possible. So these work really well. The next one is Canva.com. Canva.com is somewhere where you can do, banners, thumbnails, anything. And I actually use that to do my thumbnails on my YouTube channel. So Canva.com is a very good way to do this. If you're not a graphic designer, but you want to do graphic design, this is a great way to do it. And you can actually do that with Upwork.com or Fiverr.com and use Canva to actually do that. So even if you're not a graphic designer, you can absolutely do that and just, get better and better. You might not want to charge too much at the beginning, but then if you get good, then you can actually charge quite a bit of money. So either way, you will be able to make some money on Fiverr or Upwork if you use Canva.com. So the next one is AdFly. So this is adf.ly. It's not anything else, it's .ly. So AdFly with the dot in the middle. And that shortens any link. That shortens any link that you want, and that is an affiliate link. So as soon as somebody clicks on that, they will be shown a video and you will be able to make money from that. So it's a bit like YouTube videos, except you have to have 10,000 views and 1,000 subscribers. But on this, you don't have to have any subscribers. All you have to do is shorten that link. People will be shown some videos and you will get some money from that. So that's a very good way to do this. If people watch your videos or any video, you will get paid to watch, for people to watch that video. So that's a very good way to do it. A lot of people do that. It absolutely works. The next one is flippa.com. And this is a place where you can flip websites and apps. And you can also do Instagram accounts, because I made a video on Instagram yesterday. So you can flip websites and apps. And what's great about this one is if you find a good deal with a website or an app or an Instagram account, all you have to do is just buy it for $100, modify it because you think that the graphic is not too good and you can get way more sales, and then you can sell it. Or you can make a website as well if you know how to do that, and then sell it on there. There are a ton of different ways to make money flipping websites, apps, or Instagram accounts. Basically anything that has anything to do with websites, you can do that with flippa.com. So I highly suggest that you go there. You can, some websites you just pay monthly, so all you have to do is buy that website and just wait for the money to come in. So these are 6 websites to make $100, even if you're broke. Some of them will make you a little bit less than $100, so that's just the way it is. But I highly suggest that if you're interested in any of these, do go and check these out because they absolutely work. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. And by the way, make sure that you do subscribe. And now I'm going to say, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you check the other videos and I'll see you in tomorrow's one. Bye for now.